Malaysia's DK Composites has carved out a reputation in Asia making buildings with plastics, like the Singapore Art Science Museum shown here. The white lotus-like leaves are made from glass fiber reinforced plastic, and experts say the museum, which opened last year, is among the largest freestanding composite structures in the world. DK also makes glass fiber plastic parts for mass transit, like the nose cone on the monorail system in Malaysia's largest city, Kuala Lumpur. The company won an award for that work at the JEC Composites Fair in Singapore last month. DK's factory in Malacca on Malaysia's west coast is a hive of activity. The company believes the Asian composites industry is ready to grow quickly as lighter-weight plastic composites replace more traditional materials and as Asian countries develop. Here is a 22-meter-long GFRP pilot boat used in harbors. Boats are a major market for the company. DK says GFRP has advantages in projects like the Singapore Museum. DK gave a tour of the museum to other composites professionals during the JEC show.
Okay, in the Art Science Museum, mainly I see the advantages would be that the whole structure is light. The GFRP that we use as the main cladding and the main facade is light. And then it also took just a few months, like up to 6 months for installation, and we consider this as rapid installation. And the whole thing was done as just-in-time basis. The whole manufacturing, of course, is done back in Malacca, our factory.
One of DK's bigger markets is making domes and decorative parts for mosques and government buildings throughout the Islamic world. The company actually got its start in that business in 1997. Today, it's working with partners to get into resin transfer molding to automate its production. The Asian composites industry is growing faster than counterparts in North America and Europe, according to Paris-based composites promoter JEC Group. For DK, it means the biggest challenge it faces is developing its workforce to keep up.
The biggest challenge that we face right now is the skilled resources. Okay, there are not many to go by right now. So even in the skilled resources sector right now, what we are doing is that we are doing in-house training, and then on top of that, we are assisted by the government in providing composite training in the colleges, in the universities, as well as our role, we are advising the education sector on what are the requirements by the industry so that they can be tailored according to the industry's requirement.